Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing very easy party appetizer recipe, which is the flatbread samosa chaat. We all love samosa, and of course if you can serve it as a form of chaat, of course it cannot be better than that. So here I'm taking half a tablespoon oil. Into that add some cumin seed as well as the hang, and we're going to add chopped onions in there. We'll let this saute, I would say at least for a couple of minutes, and then we'll add some green chilies. Now, green chilies is up to you how spicy you like it. So I'm going to add at least about a couple of tablespoons because we like spicy. So I'm going to add about a couple of tablespoons in there. And at this point, if you like garlic, you can also add chopped garlic into this too. Again, we'll let this saute and then we'll add some boiled potato. So I do have about 3 medium-sized boiled potato. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. This recipe, it is easy. You can make this mixture day before, keep it in the fridge, and the day you want to go ahead and serve it, you can make this within like 10 minutes or so. It is that easy, especially for the party. This is the best appetizer that you can serve. So once I add the potato, we'll go ahead and mix everything. And now we'll add the usual masala. So first, red chili powder, haldi powder, little bit of dhania jeera powder, as well as the amchur powder. Amchur powder in this is a must. If you don't have it or if you're not big fan of it, you can always add the lemon juice in there and that should be fine. And also I'm adding just a pinch of garam masala. Add salt to taste as well as cilantro for garnishing, and that's about it. Our mixture is ready. Now we definitely need some chutney because this is the chaat. So I do have green chutney, sweet chutney, as well as the yogurt. Now in yogurt, I add some salt, sugar, and a little bit of water to thin it out. So here is my chutney. And also we need some fine save, some cheese. Now you can use any kind of cheese that you like. You can also use the Amul cheese in here because that also tastes really good. And also we need some pomegranate seeds and some onion. And of course the main we need is the pizza base. So for that, I'm using this thin and crispy pizza crust. You can find this at any grocery store. Basically, that's gonna mimic the outer layer of the samosa, right? So make sure you use this thin and crispy. So now what I'm gonna do, and here my mixture is ready. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this mixture and thin it out on this pizza crust. Guys, you have to try this recipe. जैसे मैं बता रही हूँ ना, इतनी easy रेसिपी है. और कभी होता है ना कि अनएक्सपेक्टेड गेस्ट घर पे आ गए तो फटाफट ये जो चीज़ें हैं वो हमेशा हमारे घर पे रहती है, तो आप जल्दी से ये बना सकते हो. उसमें बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लगता. अगर आपके पास ये मिक्सचर रेडी है, चटनी वगैरह सेव है, वो तो हमेशा हमारे घर पे रहते ही है, तो बहुत जल्दी बन जाता है. और अगर आप पार्टी होस्ट कर रहे हो ना, तो डेफिनेटली आपको ये ट्राई करना ही करना है. अगर आपको कुछ हटके, कुछ अलग एपेटाइज़र कुछ सर्व करना है ना, जो आपको भी ज़्यादा टाइम ना लगे बनाने में, तो then you have to try this recipe because it is so quick, and believe me, whoever has tried this recipe, they loved it so much. जो भी घर पे मेरे आए हैं, मैंने ये तब बनाया है ना, तो सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि एक खटमीठा टेस्ट आ जाता है समोसा का और चटनी वगैरह है, और उसके जो बेस है ना वो इतना क्रिस्पी बन जाता है क्योंकि हम उसको फिर ओवन में चीज़ जब तक मेल्ट ना हो तब तक हम उसको ओवन में रख देंगे, तो वो अभी जितना क्रिस्पी है ना उससे भी ज़्यादा वो क्रिस्पी हो जाता है. तो बहुत ही एक यूनिक सा ये एपेटाइज़र बन के तैयार होता है. So now we'll go ahead and add some cheese on top. As I mentioned, you can use any kind of cheese that you like. I have tried this specifically with the Amul cheese, and believe me guys, that actually tastes so good. Somehow Amul cheese is so different than the cheese that we get it here. एक अलग सा अपना सा टेस्ट आता है, पता नहीं क्यों, पर यहाँ पे जो मैं चीज़ जो यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो मैक्सिकन चीज़ है, but definitely I would highly recommend that if you can get the hold of Amul cheese, try that because that actually tastes so good. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this into oven safe plate, and we're gonna put this in an oven on 350 degree until the cheese is not melted. It will take, I would say, anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. It's not gonna take that long. So just go ahead and put it in the oven just for a few minutes. Make sure the bottom get crispy and the cheese get melted. It's not gonna take more than 10 minutes for sure, but of course, you know, everyone oven is different, so you want to keep eye on it. So here cheese has completely melted and the base got even more crispier than before. We'll go ahead and add all the toppings on top now. You just want to do this step when you are ready to serve. So first I'm going to go ahead and add some green chutney, sweet chutney, as well as some onions, save, dahi, and all the toppings that we have. I'll just go ahead and add all that on top of this. So definitely guys, try this recipe, and ऐसे ही मैं आपके साथ जो रेसिपी के videos जो share कर रही हूँ, let me know whether you guys like this kind of videos, like when I'm talking to you and explaining the step by step, or you just want me to put the music and give you the ingredients list and share the recipe in the description box. Because in my last video, that's what I did, and in this video I'm doing something different. So I just want to know like what kind of videos you guys prefer. Do you want me to talk and just do the voiceover in this recipes videos, or just put the music on and let you guys enjoy? So let me know. And I'm thinking, you know, I will be sharing this kind of recipes video more often with you guys, as well as a vlog. And I do have definitely very interesting vlog coming very soon. So keep eye on that. But I just want your input कि आपको कैसे वीडियो पसंद है, कि ऐसे ही मैं आपके साथ एक एक रेसिपी शेयर करूँ ना, तो इट्स मच ईजियर टू, कि जब भी आपको वो रेसिपी चाहिए ना, तो then you can kind of search through easily in my channel. So let me know guys कि आपको कैसे videos पसंद है. But definitely I enjoy so much seeing your guys comments in the videos. Whenever I post the video now, I always wait for your comments कि you know, जैसे हम एक कोई अपना कोई खास फ्रेंड होता है, उसकी वेट करते हैं ना कि कब उसके साथ बात होगी, क्या होगा, तो बस वैसा ही मेरा हाल होता है. तो definitely guys, don't forget to like this video. Also leave the comments, talk to me. So I enjoy, you know, I love your feedback. Also enjoy making videos for you guys. So that's it. That was my recipe for this samosa chaat. It's unique and of course easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Definitely I will be seeing you guys next week. And as I mentioned, बहुत ही एक interesting video जो आपके साथ share करना है. But I'm waiting for a few things, so that's why, you know, it's taking me longer to make that video. पर जल्दी वो वीडियो लेके मैं आऊँगी. तब तक ऐसे ही रेसिपी आपके साथ शेयर करती रहूँगी. तो आई होप कि आज का वीडियो भी आपको पसंद आया है. And if you make this recipe, share it with me on my Instagram. I would love to hear from you guys, whether you guys make this recipe, whether you liked it or not. So thank you so much again, guys, for everything. And thank you again for watching this video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.